Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Oracle 21C Express Edition on Windows operating system. So let's get started. In order to install Oracle 21C Express Edition on Windows operating system, first you need to check the Oracle Minimum System Requirements checklist if your system meets the minimum Oracle System Requirement guidelines. I'll put this list in the description below as well. But one thing that I want to mention here, if you are Windows 10 home user, then you might need to consider installing Oracle Virtual Machine and then install Oracle Express in that virtual machine. Or you can give it a try and see if it works well. But according to the Oracle website system recommendation guidelines, Windows Home is not supported. Now to download the Oracle Express Edition, open your browser and type oracle.com on the search bar. Now click Resources tab. Under Download section, click the Developer Downloads. Now scroll down. Here under Database, click this Database Enterprise/Standard Editions. Now under Oracle Database Free, click this Download Oracle Database XE for Windows. Click Save, and this will save the download file in your system. As you can see, the download task is done. Now go to your downloads folder, or you can click this little icon and it will take you to the downloads folder. From here, you need to have an empty folder. So if you don't have empty folder, create one and copy this zip file to the empty folder. Now extract this zip file. To extract this zip file, right click on it and select Extract All. Now open this new extracted folder. Now from here, double click this installer that says Setup, and this will start the installation. Now you can minimize this. If the app asks you a permission, click Yes. Now click Next, accept the agreement and click Next. Now for the file path, do not change anything, leave the default as is, click Next. From here, create new password that is going to be used by sys, system and PDB admin accounts. And you need to remember this password for the latter use. Now click Next. Here on the destination folder, you don't have to change anything. Click Install. If you receive this message from Windows Defender Firewall, click Allow Access. It won't harm your machine, this application. As you can see, the installation is successfully finished. But before you click Finish, take screenshot of this summary information as you need it later, this information to interact with your database. Now click Finish. Now to check if the installation was successful, launch your SQL Plus. Now to connect to the database instance, I can use /sysdba, and this will trespass the password as well. As you can see, I am now connected to the Oracle 21C Express database instance. The next step that I would like to see is all my pluggable databases under this container. So to view all your pluggable databases, you can use $$ command. Now I know I have only one default database, and that is xepdb1. Now I will connect to this xepdb1 database. From here, I'm going to create one user, and this user, he will be able to create database objects under this pluggable database. Now I will grant create session and create table access to my user 01, and he will be able to create table in this database. Now I'm gonna connect to this database using user 01. Now let me create a test table here. To see the data I entered, I run select statement. Now we saw how to download and install Oracle 21c Express Edition on Windows operating system. You also saw how to run your first script inside the pluggable database. Thank you for watching.